Now we are going to show you how to use the fiber laser marking machine. First, press down on the vibrating mirror switch and press the laser power switch. It should light up green when you turn on. Then you can double-click the EasyCAD software. Now we enter the software. We can try to type some text on the software or draw patterns on it. For example, we input some random words on the software and click Apply. And here you can choose different fonts. After choose the fonts you want, then click Apply. You can also design your work on another software, such as like Control or some other software, then import the file to this software. You can click File, then import vector file and choose the file you like. But the file format should be DXF file. Okay, now we import the file to this software. All the files input to this software is in group status. If we want to do some special changes to this file, first we need to ungroup the file. Otherwise, you cannot do changes to this file. For example, I want to do hatch to this part. First, we select the part, then click Hatch button. Now we enter the hatch page. Usually we only adjust the line distance value and to get the ideal result we want. On the line distance column, we can change the value. The smaller the value is, the denser line distance you get, and vice versa. Okay, we set the line distance at 0.05 and click OK. So now we get the part has been hatched. The line distance will affect marking speed. The denser line distance will mark slower. And now we are going to set different power, speed, and frequency to different layers of the file. We can select each layer by setting it with different color and to do different setting with it. For example, we set the outer layer with the red color, inside part with black color. Then we can click the layer color and do different setting, speed, power, and frequency to each layer. Now we set the parameters to each layer. We check the red line to check the position of the marking file. Before marking, we need to use a ruler to measure the focal length. The focal length means the distance from the material surface to the beginning of the black label, which is on the marking head, and the number means the focal distance. Every time you change to another product you want to mark, you should check the focal distance and adjust it by rotating the Z-axis column handle. After set the correct focal distance, you can press Mark. Now the machine is marking.